Valsir has studied some innovative solutions to ensure extreme accessibility and freedom of movement inside the bathroom, developing systems for the realization of floor-level showers that combine a very high aesthetical value coherent with the current bathroom design tendency and comfort, with an easy installation, quick and safe. With a perfect integration in the floor of the bathroom, the shower is realized without any difference in height or step for a maximized optimization of the spaces, as requested for the most recent tendency of the design. The range of floor-level shower systems is composed of 4 solutions for every installation need and with a specific model dedicated to renovations. We are speaking about X-Center and X-Center 70, X-Border and X-Corner. The innovative principle behind these solutions is to provide a support system composed of an EPS panel with a high resistance to compression and equipped with a dedicated trap and customized finishing. All these with the perfect integrated slope for the correct flowing of the water. There are countless installation advantages. The panel does not require the creation of any concrete screed with slopes, cutting the installation and drying time. Additionally, it is already provided with the waterproofing material on the surface to make the shower waterproof to infiltrations. The panel can be adapted by trimming the edges to particular dimensions and installations, like in narrow corners. The kit is also equipped with the waterproofing membranes and glue to seal the panel with the lateral walls. Once the installation is finished, the tiler will cover the system with the chosen covering for the bathroom. Speaking of X-Center, we have 4 different slope lines conveying the water in the grid placed in the middle of the shower. This grid is available in different finishings: bamboo, barcode, water slide, texture and eventually with customized finishing. It is available in different sizes, from 800 x 800 mm to 1400 x 900 mm, with a minimum installation height of 130 mm. In case of a renovation, a lower version is available, with an installation height of only 70 mm. On the other end, X-Border has a single slope bringing the water on the shorter side of the shower panel, inside a grid placed along the length of this side. Also, with this solution, there is the possibility to customize the finishing with the same option we have for X-Center, with the version bamboo, barcode, water slide, textures, and eventually with customized finishing. The panel is available with the sizes 900 x 1200 mm and 1000 x 1200 mm, with a minimum installation height of 140 mm. Finally, we have the most peculiar solution, X-Corner. In this case, the shower takes on a minimalistic aspect, perfectly uniform with the rest of the bathroom. As a matter of fact, the water is conveyed inside 2 hidden ducts placed on the side of the panel. The finishing of the bathroom will then result clean and uniform, and the only visible element will be the metal profile. This last solution is particularly appreciated in those bathroom environments where a customized and elegant design is sought.